Ready to take your gaming to the next level? In this video, we're checking out the top 10 best gaming PCs on Amazon, from budget-friendly builds to high-performance rigs packed with powerful CPUs, GPUs, and RGB designs. Whether you're into competitive esports, AAA titles, or streaming, these machines are built to deliver smooth gameplay and stunning graphics. Stick around to see which one is perfect for your setup. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more epic gaming gear and tech reviews. At number 1 we have Sqobron Gaming PC. This gaming PC desktop is a powerful and versatile system designed to handle everything from gaming to productivity tasks like studying, business work, streaming, video editing, and even day or crypto trading. Equipped with an Intel Core i7 8th Gen processor, 6 cores, 12 threads, turbo boost up to 4.1 GHz, 16 GB DDR4 RAM, and a fast 1 TB SSD, it delivers smooth multitasking and quick load times. The NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super 6GB graphics card ensures strong gaming performance, capable of running popular titles such as Fortnite, GTA 5, Valorant, Apex Legends, COD Warzone, and Hogwarts Legacy at 60+ FPS. For connectivity, it includes Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, multiple display outputs, HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, and RJ45. At number 2 we have AC Magician C Mini PC. Experience the power of the AC Magician C Mini PC with AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX and AMD Radeon Graphics Radeon 680M. This mini computer offers exceptional performance for productivity tasks, office work, and even medium-range gaming. The 6900HX small desktop PC features 3 different modes to suit your needs. Use the silent mode for movie watching and light office work, auto mode for medium office software like 3D visualization, and perf mode for gaming. With 32 GB DDR5 RAM and dual-channel DDR5 technology, the C Mini Tower PC offers faster and more efficient gameplay. Upgrade the RAM to 64 GB for even smoother performance. The M.2 2281 TB C 3.0 SSD provides ample storage space, and you can add up to 2 TB of additional storage with NVMe or SATA SSD. Boost your productivity with the Mini Desktop PC. Connect up to 3 monitors with the 2 HDMI 2.0 and 1 Type-C ports, supporting 4K at 60 resolution. At number 3 we have Skytech Gaming Azure 3 Desktop PC. This gaming PC is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7700X 4.5 GHz processor with up to 5.4 GHz turbo boost for exceptional speed and multitasking. It comes equipped with a 1 TB Gen 4 and M.2 SSD that is up to 30x faster than traditional HDDs, ensuring lightning-fast boot times and game loading. The system includes a powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 12GB GDDR7 graphics card, brand may vary, delivering stunning visuals and smooth performance in the latest titles. With 32 GB DDR5 6000 RGB memory and a 360mm AIO liquid CPU cooler with ARGB fans, you'll experience unmatched cooling and performance without thermal throttling. The Skytech Azure gaming case with tempered glass enhances durability and style while keeping components protected and visible. Pre-installed Windows 11 Home 64-bit runs bloatware-free for a clean and efficient experience. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi AC, multiple USB ports, 2.0, 3.0, 3.2 Gen 1, HDMI, DisplayPort, HD audio, and mic support. At number 4 we have Panorama XL RTX 5090 Gaming PC. Base clock speed up to 5.7 GHz max boost clock speed, for elite gaming and content creation with 4nm leading-edge technology, storage 4 TB Steam Gen 4 M.2 SSD, experience hyperfast boot up and data transfer that's up to 30x faster performance than a traditional hard drive. Store all of your files on the included 12 TB 7200 revolutions per minute 3.5 inches hard disk drive. Get all the power you need for fast, smooth, power-efficient performance. RAM 192 GB DDR5 RAM gaming memory for seamless multitasking from multiple web pages to playing games online simultaneously. 10 ARGB PWM fans for powerful airflow and dynamic speed control. PC case, Panorama XL with front and side full panel tempered glass for panoramic view, vertical bar, no bloatware. Graphic output options include 1x HDMI and 1x DisplayPort guaranteed. Additional ports may vary. Empowered PCs are assembled in the USA, rigorously stress-tested before shipping, and supported with lifetime technical and diagnostic support and 3-year limited hardware warranty. At number 5 we have Skytech King 95 Gaming PC Desktop. This gaming PC features the AMD Ryzen 7 9700X 3.8 GHz processor with turbo boost up to 5.5 GHz, delivering outstanding speed and efficiency for gaming and multitasking. Equipped with a 1TB Gen 4 M.2 SSD, it runs up to 30x faster than traditional hard drives, ensuring lightning-fast boot and load times. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 12GB GDDR7 graphics card, brand may vary, provides smooth gameplay and stunning visuals across modern AAA titles. With 32GB DDR5 6000 RGB gaming memory and a 360mm AIO liquid CPU cooler with ARGB fans, this system is designed for maximum performance without overheating or throttling. The stunning King 95 black case allows you to showcase your build with style while ensuring durability and airflow. Pre-installed Windows 11 Home 64-bit comes bloatware-free for a seamless user experience. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi AC, HDMI, DisplayPort, multiple USB ports, 2.0, 3.0, 3.2 Gen 1, HD audio, and mic support. At number 6 we have GM Tech K11 AMD Ryzen 9 Gaming PC. GM Tech K11 Mini PC equipped with the AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS CPU, featuring 8 cores, 16 threads, and boost up to 5.4 GHz. It offers superior multitasking performance for demanding tasks like gaming and content creation, with energy-efficient power management at 35 watts TDP. The Oculink port enables higher bandwidth capabilities, better frame rates and lower lag. The standard also operates at CX4 speeds, compared to Thunderbolt's X3. Gamers and content creators can benefit from Oculink's higher bandwidth, resulting in better performance and lower lag for EPU setups. Dual Intel NIC 2.5G LAN port design provides more applications, such as firewall, multi-channel aggregation, soft routing, file storage server, etc. Wi-Fi 6 provides a faster internet experience for browsing, streaming and gaming. Built-in Bluetooth 5.2 is more stable and efficient to connect multiple wireless devices such as projector, printer, monitor, speakers and etc. At number 7 we have Alienware Aurora R16 Gaming Desktop. The Alienware Aurora R16 is equipped with the Intel Core Ultra 9 285K, boosting up to 5.7 GHz. With AI-enhanced multitasking, it effortlessly handles demanding games, creative workloads, and live streaming, offering ultra-responsive performance and overclocking potential. The Alienware Aurora R16 Gaming Desktop features the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 GPU, based on the Blackwell architecture. Enjoy DLSS 4, 4th Gen ray tracing, and Reflex 2 for cinematic visuals, ultra-high frame rates, and competitively low latency. NPU acceleration delivers up to 2.7x faster rendering in apps like Blender. Experience up to 20% quieter operation and 7% lower temperatures than the Aurora R15. With larger air pathways, hexagonal ventilation, and clean internal cable management, the Alienware Aurora R16 stays cool under pressure thanks to efficient liquid cooling. At number 8 we have Skytech Gaming King 95 Desktop PC. CPU processor, 2TB Gen 4 M.2 SSD, up to 30x faster than traditional HDD, 360mm AIO liquid CPU cooler with ARGB fans, say goodbye to outdated and inefficient air coolers. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 T16GB GDDR7 graphics card, brand may vary, 32GB DDR5 RAM 6000 RGB gaming memory with heat spreader, Windows 11 Home 64-bit. High-spec AIO liquid coolers used, delivering unmatched cooling performance for a perfect operational experience and unparalleled cooling performance. With hardware unrestricted by temperature limits, you can unleash its full potential. Whether gaming, creating, or working, you'll never suffer from thermal throttling again. This powerful gaming PC is capable of running all your favorite games such as Call of Duty, Fortnite, Escape from Tarkov, Grand Theft Auto 5, Valorant, World of Warcraft, League of Legends, Apex Legends, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, Overwatch 2, Counter-Strike 2, Battlefield V, Minecraft, Elden Ring Shadow of the Erdtree, Rocket League, Baldur's Gate 3, Dota 2. At number 9 we have GM Tech M5 Plus Gaming Mini PC Ryzen 7. The GM Tech Nukebox M5 Plus Series Mini PC is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5825U processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, base clock 2.0 GHz in quiet mode, and turbo boost up to 4.5 GHz in performance mode, delivering up to 35% better performance compared to earlier Ryzen models. Equipped with 32GB DDR4 dual-channel RAM, expandable to 64GB, and a 1TB C3.0 SSD, expandable up to 4TB, it offers both speed and flexibility for multitasking and storage needs. With dual 2.5G LAN ports, this compact PC supports blazing fast 2,500 megabits per second network speeds, making it ideal for gaming, streaming, or server use. The integrated AMD Radeon graphics with 8 cores at 2000 MHz supports 4K UHD output and allows triple screen display for smooth video editing, design work, and immersive entertainment. Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 ensure faster wireless connections with lower latency, while multiple interfaces including USB 3.2, USB 2.0, HDMI 2.0, USB-C, DP, audio, and more provide broad compatibility. At number 10 we have Thermaltake LCGS View i1470S170 Gaming Desktop. This high-performance gaming PC comes equipped with the Intel Core i7-14700F CPU paired with a B760 chipset motherboard for fast, reliable processing power across gaming, streaming, and productivity tasks. With 32GB of DDR5 6000MT/sRGB memory and a 1TB MEM.2 SSD, you get lightning-fast load times, smooth multitasking, and plenty of storage for all your favorite games and applications. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card delivers exceptional visuals and smooth frame rates, with both DisplayPort and HDMI outputs for flexible monitor support. Cooling is handled by a stylish ARGB tower air cooler, keeping performance stable even during intense gaming sessions. The case features panoramic front and side tempered glass panels, showcasing your build with stunning clarity and vibrant RGB lighting. For connectivity, you'll find 2x USB 3.0 ports, a headphone jack, and a mic input conveniently accessible.